Hallo, Klasse 10. Ich bin's, Herr Gibby. Wie geht es euch? Gut, hoffe ich. Alles gut. So today, what we're going to just look at is using time phrases or adverbial phrases to describe how often you use a certain type of transport or mode of transport to go to school, for instance. Okay. So wie oft means how often, yeah? Wie oft. All right, so we've got immer, which means always, jeden Tag, every day, meistens, mostly, normalerweise, normally, und oft, which means often. So I've got the E in there. Okay, so I'll just go over that again, and you can repeat after me if you want to. Immer, jeden Tag, meistens, normalerweise, oft. All right, now there are others. I don't want to do too much on each video because it's boring for you and it takes a long time to upload. So if we have a look at the question, wie kommst du zur Schule? How do you get to school? So if you said you walk, yeah, every day, you'd say, ich gehe, and then you'd use your time phrase, jeden Tag zur Schule. Ja, ich gehe jeden Tag zur Schule. All right. And then if you cycle, you might say, ich fahre. Ich fahre. So mostly. Meistens. Rad. Ich fahre meistens Rad. Okay, we'll do one more. Let's use normally or normalerweise. Yeah. Ich fahre normalerweise mit dem Bus. Ja, also ich gehe jeden Tag zur Schule. Ich fahre meistens Rad. Ich fahre normalerweise mit dem Bus. Okay, so these are your time phrases. Yeah. Ich gehe, ich fahre, ich fahre. What are these? What are those words? That's right, the verb, ich fahre. Okay, so ich gehe, time phrase. So verb, time phrase. Verb, time phrase. Verb, time phrase. And then the rest. Okay, all right. I'll leave that there for now.